Ever wondered how some people earn money while they sleep? Affiliate marketing might be the answer. This fascinating concept has gained momentum as an effective passive income strategy. It's all about promoting products, not your own, but of other businesses. Imagine being the bridge that connects a product with its potential buyer. Now imagine earning a commission each time a sale is made through your referral. Yes, it's as intriguing as it sounds. It's not about selling. It's about connecting the right product to the right. It's about being the catalyst that sparks the journey. And the best part? You're not tied to a 9-to-5 schedule. Can set your own pace, work from anywhere, and yes, even earn while you sleep. Marketing has the potential to turn your financial dreams into reality. So it's earning money while you sleep, but how does it work? Of the structure to stand tall and strong. There's a myriad of affiliate programs out there, spanning a wide range of industries. From retail goods to digital products, services to experiences, there's something out there for everyone. But here's the catch. Not all of these programs will be right for you. It's essential to choose a program that aligns with your interests and the interests of your audience. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. When you're genuinely interested in a product or service, your enthusiasm shines through in your content. This authenticity is what builds trust with your audience, and trust is the key to successful affiliate marketing. Think about it. Would you recommend a book you've never read to a friend? Probably not. The same principle applies here. If you're going to recommend a product or service to your audience, you need to believe in it. You need to know it inside out. You need to be its biggest fan. And just as important as your interests are, so are your audiences. After all, they're the ones who'll be clicking on your affiliate links and making the purchases. You need to understand their needs, their interests, their pain points. What are they looking for? What problems are they trying to solve? Once you understand this, you can choose an affiliate program that offers solutions to their problems. Choosing the right affiliate program isn't just about finding something you like. It's about finding something your audience will like and trust. It's about bridging the gap between their needs and the right solutions. It's about creating value for them. And when you do that, you're not just an affiliate marketer. You're a trusted advisor, a problem solver, a value creator. Remember, it's not just about what you like, but what your audience will like and trust. Signing up for any other online platform. You'll fill out a form with your personal details, create a username and password, and voila, you're in. Once you're signed up, the next step is getting your hands on your unique affiliate link. This is the golden ticket, folks. This link is what tracks the traffic and sales you generate, ensuring you get your well-deserved commission. It's typically found in the dashboard of the program. You just copy it and paste it wherever you're promoting the product or service. Remember, every click, every sale, it all gets tracked back to this link. It's your lifeline in the world of affiliate marketing. With the link in your possession, you're ready to start promoting your affiliate link. With your affiliate link now comes the fun part, promotion. Imagine your affiliate link as a seed. A seed, when planted and cared for, can grow into a flourishing tree. Similarly, your affiliate link, when strategically promoted, can grow into a thriving source of income. But how do you go about promoting your affiliate link? Let's delve into a few proven strategies. First up, we have blog posts. You can weave your affiliate link into informative and engaging blog posts that provide value to your readers. When your content is genuine and valuable, your readers are more likely to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate link. Remember, authenticity breeds trust. Trust breeds conversions. Next, we have the powerful tool of social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are not just for sharing cute cat videos. They can be potent channels for promoting your affiliate link. By creating engaging posts or videos that subtly incorporate your affiliate link, you can reach a wider audience and increase your chances of conversions. Email marketing is another effective strategy. With a well-crafted email, you can reach out directly to your audience, providing them with valuable content and gently nudging them towards your affiliate link. It's like knocking on their digital door with a friendly hello and a helpful tip, with your affiliate link just a click away. And let's not forget about the power of SEO. By optimizing your content with relevant keywords, you can attract organic traffic to your site and increase the visibility of your affiliate link. It's like lighting a beacon that guides interested readers straight to your content and your affiliate link. Remember, the goal is not to plaster your link everywhere, but to strategically place it where it can provide value and solve problems for your audience. It's about building relationships, providing value, and promoting your affiliate link in a way that feels natural and genuine. promotion is key, but it's not just about plastering your link everywhere, earning and tracking commissions. Now that you're promoting your link, how do you know if it's working? Well, in the world of affiliate marketing, every click, every sale, and every commission is tracked meticulously. This is mainly done through your affiliate dashboard, an essential tool offered by most affiliate programs. This dashboard is your control room, your mission control, if you will, from where you can monitor all your activities and earnings. Think of your affiliate dashboard as a personal assistant, always working behind the scenes, keeping track of every single click, purchase, and commission. It's here that you'll find comprehensive reports on your performance, showing you exactly how much you've earned, when, from which particular sales. Here's a fascinating thing though. Your dashboard does more than just counting dollars and cents. It provides you with valuable insights into your audience's behavior. For example, it can tell you which of your promotions are performing the best, at what time of day your links are clicked the most, and even which geographical locations bring the most traffic. Armed with this data, you can make informed decisions and implement effective changes to your marketing strategies. You can focus on what's working and discard what's not. You can also experiment with new ideas and track their impact. In other words, you can consistently analyze and adjust your approach to maximize your earnings. But here's the kicker, it's not just about the numbers. Sure, seeing a rising graph of your earnings is exciting, but what's even more rewarding is the learning process. It's about understanding your audience, figuring out what resonates with them, and then delivering that effectively. It's about the thrill of trying something new and seeing it succeed. It's about the satisfaction of knowing that you're not just making money, but also making a meaningful connection with your audience. So keep an eye on your dashboard, but also keep an open mind. Be ready to learn, to adapt, and to grow. Because in affiliate marketing, as in life, success comes not from standing still, but from moving forward. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about learning and adjusting your strategies. The power of affiliate marketing. So why should you consider affiliate marketing? Well, let's unravel this question together. Imagine a world where you don't have to create a product or service to sell. A world where your job is merely to connect consumers with products they already want and need. This is the world of affiliate marketing. It's a realm where the power of influence and connection can be monetized, and the benefits are bountiful. Firstly, affiliate marketing can be a source of passive income. Once you've set up your platform, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media page, and have posted your affiliate links, you can earn commissions around the clock. Even while you're sleeping, your affiliate links are working for you, generating income from purchases by your audience. Secondly, affiliate marketing offers flexibility. You're not tied to a 9-to-5 schedule. You can work from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have internet access. You can work from a cafe in Paris, a beach in Bali, or the comfort of your own home. Affiliate marketing allows you to live the lifestyle you've always dreamed of without being chained to a desk. Thirdly, the startup costs for affiliate marketing are relatively low. Unlike traditional businesses that require substantial capital for inventory, rent, and staff, affiliate marketing requires only a platform to share your affiliate links and a willingness to work hard smart. But remember, affiliate marketing is not just about posting links and waiting for the money to roll in. It requires strategy, dedication, and a genuine desire to provide value to your audience. It's about building trust and fostering relationships. It's about understanding your audience's needs and offering solutions that help them. Done right, affiliate marketing can be a powerful tool for monetization. It's a vehicle that can drive you towards financial independence, allowing you to live life on your own terms. Affiliate marketing might not be a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and strategy, it can be your ticket to financial freedom.